Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So this week we are doing a 21 by 22 pad for a carport in the back of someone's yard. We have plenty of access, which is great. The weather's still warm, no need for blankets. We're excited about that. Stick around for the excavation, which there will be plenty of. The prep, my favorite part, the pour. We'll see you then, guys. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. There it is, guys. Everything went well. We dug it out really well. The soil under here is diamond hard. It's so hard that I had to put what they call the asphalt bit on my breaker, which is like a flat shovel bit, and then I use that to poke the dirt, loosen it up, and then I scoop it out. But we're having trouble even getting our stakes in here. But there it is. Rebar is in there. Pour is set for tomorrow at 7. It's getting a little dark now, so it might be the last pour we do at 7 in the morning, maybe second to last. But thanks for sticking around. See you guys tomorrow at the pour. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye. Yep, and John, he does really good work, so he should be able to take care of that for you. call your house, let me know. I'm here to help.
All right, thank you.
Have a great day, ma'am. Bye-bye. Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So the pour went well. We poured at 7 in the morning, 5 slump. Check it out. The customer's carport is actually slightly smaller than this pad, but I told him, you know, make it a little bigger, have a little wiggle room, better safe than sorry. Everything's sloping this way. I think they're gonna build like a little block wall over there. We built this dirt up so they can actually pull in and on there. But everything came out well. Next week we are wrapping up a project that caused all this confusion amongst the jobs where we have to keep pulling them forward to make space, but we should knock it out. I don't know what project we're gonna be on when I upload this video and when you guys see it, but just know this is the 3rd project that we've done without posting anything. But thanks for sticking around, guys. Thanks for taking a look. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. See you next week, guys. Bye-bye.